Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix invalid invite link on Discord using your computer. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to launch Discord on your device and click on the server. Okay, and once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the server's name right here and click on invite people. And what you need to do is to click on this edit invite link, then click on the drop down at the expire after section and just go ahead and select never. Okay, and then now you can choose the max number of uses. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select no limit. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on generate a new link. Okay, and here you can also toggle the switch on for grant temporary membership. So temporary members are automatically kicked when they disconnect unless a role has been assigned. Okay, so you can toggle the switch on to enable this feature. So just go ahead and click on generate a new link. And once you've done that, that should fix the problem. Okay? Because sometimes the reason we're experiencing that issue because of the expiration of your server invite link. Okay? Because if you just go ahead and choose 30 minutes, after a 30 minutes, the invite link that you've sent to your friend will be expired. Okay? So now just go ahead and copy this and you can now send that link to your friends and they can join your Discord server. Okay? So if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix invalid invite link on Discord using your computer. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!